Okay, so the way that we go about this lesson is going to be a little bit different. We're going to be doing geometric constructions where you're going to construct a segment, an angle, a perpendicular bisector, an angle bisector. And then at the end, we're going to do one final construction. The way that you're going to learn to do these constructions is by watching YouTube videos, and the videos just are really good, and there's no reason for me to reinvent the wheel. There are two different options as far as what kind of compass you can use. You can use a traditional compass or you can use a safety compass, and that's why I have attached multiple videos, because some of the videos show using a traditional compass and some of the videos use a safety compass. And so whichever one you're using, you can watch that particular YouTube. And as you go through these constructions, they're really quite simple. Something, that we can teach elementary, junior high students how to do. However, it does take practice. And so sometimes I'll get an email from students that they're frustrated. And of course, I'm always available to help you, and I'm happy to meet with any of you. But many times you just need to rewatch the videos until you can really see the exact markings, and how the compass is being used, etc. Really, once you get that down, these are very simple, but I do want you to know that these constructions will, take up a good amount of points on your next exam. And when I grade these, I can tell by the markings on your paper whether or not you have used the correct use the compass correctly. And so you're going to construct a segment congruent to the segment given to you, and there's going to be YouTube's posted on showing you how to do that. So you're going to do that in your notes here, two of these. So you need to watch the videos on how to do that and then come back to your notes and complete those two. Then you're going to do how to construct an angle congruent to the one given to you using only a compass and a straight edge, so no protractor at all. And again, when I grade these on the test, I'm looking for the correct compass markings to know that you did it correctly. So you're going to do two of those. Then a perpendicular bisector is by definition a line that's perpendicular to the segment and it bisects it. So you're going to be creating a line that will be perpendicular to the line that's given. So it's going to create a 90-degree angle with the line that's given, and it's going to bisect it, meaning it's going to go right through the middle of it and bisect it, cut it into two equal parts. So you're going to practice two of those. Then you're going to can do an angle bisector, which is a line or a ray that will divide this angle into two equal angles. So you'll have a line or a ray coming right out the middle here, dividing this angle right in half. And then finally, you're going to do a circle circumscribed by about a triangle. And so when you have that, a circle circumscribed is where you're going to have a perfect circle to where every vertex on this circle, every vertex of the triangle is going to go through the circle. And so I'm giving you some definitions here that talk about what these things are. And basically, if you can do the perpendicular bisector construction, then you can do this construction as well, because it's just doing the perpendicular bisector construction twice. Watch the videos multiple times, do the constructions, and these are your notes. And then you will have an assignment where you'll do some more of these constructions and upload it as an assignment. But it's a little bit different setup as far as, on the notes, I usually go through every problem with you. You are going to be watching the YouTubes to learn how to do these constructions and then doing the notes on your own by following the directions in the YouTube videos. So if you need any help, reach out. But I would, be patient with yourself and allow yourself to watch those videos multiple times. You can even search additional YouTube videos, because there's just some really excellent ones out there that shows you exactly how to use the compass. But you might need to watch it a few times, and that's fine. When we teach this, to younger kids, Same thing, I would use these same videos and model it again and again and again. And then once they get it, you do it the exact same way every single time. So these become very, very easy once you get it. And there's no variety on the test. Like, you know exactly what's coming your way. You're going to follow the exact same steps. Every time you do a segment, every time you do an angle, every time you do a perpendicular bisector, etc.